Hello guys, good morning. Look, it's foggy morning again. Ano na dito guys, it's 7:30. Ayan. Yan oh. Yan ang weather pa dito guys. So cold. Look at that. Yan. Saka this one guys, so yan, maraming weeds. Look at my lemon. Look, dami naman. It's cold here. Look at this. Yeah. Marami namang lemon guys. So, pero not like last year. Okay guys, I have to go inside. It's freezing here. Bye.